Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how I use these onions on my daughter's hair to make her hair full, long and healthy. Now if you're interested, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. Quick disclaimer, make sure to read it. To get started, I'm going to peel off my onion, and for today's purpose I will be using about 2 onions. To be honest, I hate cutting onions because of the strong smell of onions, especially this onion here had me in tears on that day. But onions add flavor into our food. Onions also contain sulfur, which can help promote hair growth. This is one of the reasons why I love to add onions of most of my DIY. And I like to cut my onion in small pieces and put it in a cup of my blender to make the blending process easy. After cutting all the onions in small pieces, I'm gonna add some water and then I'm gonna blend it. After blending the onions, I'm gonna get a bowl, a container, or in my case a measurement cup. Then I'm gonna get a wig cap, put it on the top of my measurement cup and transfer my onion juice to filter all the extra onion pieces that might be left in this onion juice. I do this to avoid having small pieces of onions on my daughter's hair. I try not to squeeze out the wig cap because one time I squeezed out the wig cap and made a hole, and some of the small pieces of onion still end up into my onion juice. So I try not to squeeze out too much, but just to squeeze enough that I can get most of my onion juice out of this. Next, I'm gonna add some olive oil. Olive oil contains fatty acid and antioxidant. The fatty acid in the olive oil help nourish and strengthen the hair. The antioxidant help reduce bacterial infection, which lead to clean and healthy scalp. Next, I'm gonna add some coconut oil. Besides adding moisture to the hair, coconut oil can help treat head lice and protect the hair from breakage. Now I'm gonna mix it all together and my onion DIY is ready. Even though we all know that water and oil doesn't mix, but let's mix it all together and transfer into an applicator bottle. As you can see, water and oil doesn't mix. The oil is on the top and the water is on the bottom, but all I have to do is shake it very well before I spray this on my daughter's hair. I love doing pre-poo because it allows me to detangle her hair before I wash her hair. I hate going to start to wash her hair when it's not detangled. And this pre-poo not just help me detangle her hair, it also adds nourishment into her hair to keep her hair healthy, long and growing. I love how this pre-poo transforms her hair from looking so dry, even feeling dry, and looking so nice and moisturized and soft. I usually use my fingers to detangle her hair because I haven't found any brush that I can use to detangle her hair very well. If you know anything, let me know in the comment below. What should I use if I don't want to use my fingers only? What should I use to detangle her hair? After putting this pre-poo all over her hair, I'm gonna cover her hair with 2 plastic bags because this thing smells. Then I'm going to let her sit with this under a steamer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will continue with our regular wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something, anything. If I was, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.